Hi everybody. Today we're going to make my family's version of Cattlemen's salad dressing. Please stand by. At my house, it's just not the holidays without Cattlemen's salad dressing. So I'm so pleased to share with you all my family's copycat version of this famous salad dressing. It's actually really simple, just a few ingredients, and you can make it in less than 10 minutes. So with a lot of recipes, you can use substitutions or generics. That's not the case for this recipe. So the base of this dressing has to be Kraft mayonnaise. It can't be Hellmann's or Duke's. It can't be Kraft reduced fat or low sodium. It has to be the regular Kraft mayonnaise. So go ahead and get a quart of Kraft mayonnaise and just pour that into a mixing bowl. If you can't get it all out, that's all right. I have a plan for that later on in the video. Next we'll stir in 1/2 cup of loosely packed, finely shredded, sharp cheddar cheese. Now let's add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Next we'll add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Now let's blend that all together. Next we'll add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now back to that mayo we couldn't get out of the jar. I'm going to add about half a cup of milk to that mayonnaise jar, shake it up, and then pour that out into my mixing bowl to help thin out the salad dressing. So I filled that jar to right about here. You can always make it thinner by adding more milk, but this is just about the right consistency for me. Now I'm going to add in one more half cup of cheese, and we're all finished. And now, of course, this isn't just for salads. We use it on sandwiches, veggie trays, all kinds of dishes around the holidays. All right, that's it for this edition. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Bye, everybody.